Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend income and rental income. Number 1. Dividend income is paid by companies to shareholders from profits, whereas rental income is paid by tenants to property owners for the use of real estate. Number 2. Dividend income usually comes from stocks, shares, or dividend ETFs, whereas rental income comes from houses, apartments, shops, offices, or other property assets. Number 3. With dividend income, the investor owns a partial share in a company, whereas with rental income, the investor owns a physical property directly. Number 4. Dividend investing can often be started with relatively small capital, whereas rental property investing usually requires much higher upfront capital. Number 5. Dividend income is generally more liquid because stocks can be bought and sold more easily, whereas rental property is less liquid and usually takes more time to sell. Number 6. Dividend cash flow is often paid quarterly, and sometimes monthly depending on the company or fund, whereas rental income is usually collected monthly from tenants. Number 7. Dividend income is mostly passive once the investment is made, whereas rental income often requires active involvement or the hiring of a property manager. Number 8. Dividend investors usually do not directly handle repair or maintenance costs, whereas rental property owners must bear repair, upkeep, and maintenance expenses. Number 9. Dividend income does not face tenant vacancy risk, whereas rental income can stop or decline when a property remains vacant. Number 10. Dividend income depends on company earnings and dividend policy, whereas rental income depends on tenant payments, occupancy, local demand, and property conditions. Number 11. Dividend income can grow through dividend increases and reinvestment, whereas rental income can grow through rent increases and property appreciation. Number 12. Dividend income is easier to diversify across many companies, sectors, and funds, whereas rental income is harder to diversify because buying multiple properties requires more capital. Number 13. Dividend income is mainly influenced by stock market performance and company results, whereas rental income is more influenced by real estate market trends, location, and housing demand. Number 14. Dividend income may receive dividend-specific tax treatment depending on the country, whereas rental income is usually taxed after expenses and may involve depreciation and property-related tax rules. Number 15. Dividend income is often suitable for investors seeking liquidity and passive income, whereas rental income is more suitable for investors comfortable with property ownership, tenant management, and higher capital commitment. So, the quick takeaway is that dividend income is generally more liquid and passive, whereas rental income offers tangible asset ownership but usually requires more capital, more responsibility, and more hands-on management. Therefore, both can be useful income sources, but the better choice depends on an investor's budget, time, risk tolerance, and long-term goals. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.